Everybody can hear us. Oh, it's bolted here. On the side, bolted here. Bolted there. There's a bolt here. Both sides. There's a bolt here. There's a bolt there. So we're going to talk about this. The seats don't come on it, the tail, none of that comes on it. You're going to have to assemble it yourself. The motor, in order to get down the shipping size, the motor does not come assembled. The suspension, you're also going to have to look at installing the batteries, steering wheel, front suspension. You're going to have to install the headlights, front bumper, also 12-volt battery, and the winch, because it now has a winch, but you're going to have to provide your own 12-volt battery. Here's the suspension pieces here that you still have to install. There aren't a lot of nuts and bolts because the nuts and bolts are through the parts. Your winch, your tail, Right now we've completed the install of the hitch, the motor, the suspension, the tires, the wheels. We're going to leave the windshield off for now. We've installed the winch, we've installed the front bumper. These are the winch wires that go to the winch. Red to red, this will be a 12-volt battery. You're going to have to charge it separately. The winch switch is right there. Winch in and out. So the winch switch is right there, and that'll be simple. Again, it comes with a winch. You're just responsible for finding a 12-volt battery and then putting like a 12-volt trickle charger on it. So leaving the seats off gives you much easier access to the battery compartment. The battery cables are inside the glove box. So the first thing you want to do is remove this bar and take the bar off and get that out of the way. The wires that you're going to find loose in here are the wires that go to the charge port out here. Your charger has the charge end to plug into that. The charger is not on board. The charger is plugged into your wall. There you go. So that's the battery charger cords. Now we're going to take this centerpiece off. The reason we're going to take this centerpiece off is to get access to the kill switch and to show you how to run this. These are going to run positive to positive to positive. So each one of the little battery packs is 72 volts, and you just want to run it positive, positive. We will show you how to hook it up. 8mm. They're 8mm. So what we're going to look at on this side, which is the driver's side, you're going to have a short wire and a long wire. And the short wire is, and the long wire is for, look at the screen, it'll tell you. So as I showed you before, there's a long wire, and then there's a short wire that are down here. So long wire goes to the positive battery string end, and the short wire goes to the ground string end. So it goes to the ground, that's where it ends. So it's negative, positive, negative. So we're going to line up all the positive terminals with the positive terminals each side. So it's going to start positive, 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 positive. So we've laid out how the wires are going to go. So they're going to go from the passenger side wall, that side, negative, to negative over here. It's going to run down this long wire here. It's going to come underneath here to the long negative. It's going to go to this side, and then this is going to go back to here, and then the negative short wire here that comes out of the controller is going to go to this one. Now on the opposite side, it's going to be positive, goes from that side up to here, and with the long cable coming all the way back to here. This back one here, this back one here, and then this one's going to have a short one. It's going to go to here, and then the power, the longer power one, is going to go back to here. So that's how it's going to work.